Guys, sorry for the technical problems. I'm sure that I will share first part of my video, and right now, Olga, if you hear me, please say that everything works right now or not. Anyway, I'm going to continue presentation, and let me back to where we finish. And actually we finish on our legal stuff. Let me sure that my audio works properly. Yeah, I believe that everything works fine. And right now I want to share that we finish our legal things related to the terms and conditions. And actually how it looks on our website. We have our website, if you remember, and here I added terms and conditions, and we can open them as a separate links. And you see here, this is a legal document which describe how to use our application, what's agreement in terms of a legal agreement between us and our patients, and all stuff related to this. And same thing for the privacy policy. You see here we use Wix, we use Graphenium and Sentry. We are not collecting data, we are not sell this data, and we protect this data. And all stuff related to this we put to this document. And it's easy part. If you remember our first product, it's more about our communication with the patient through the phone. And because let me check, let me sure that I have a record of this. Yeah, everything is good. We recorded, and back to our terms and conditions. For the website, it looks very nice, but we should know how this works for our phone application, and it works. I'm going to show you just a second. Just a second. And right now, what I'm doing, I try to use my phone to show you how this works. I open number and I started typing. I'm sure that you hear this.
Hey Alex fan, welcome to Heart Voices. Let's listen interesting fact of the day. Add moderate to high intensity muscle strengthening activity, such as resistance or weights, on at least 2 days per week. Thank you. Say 1 or type 1 to get information about service. Say 2 or type 2 to use service.
Okay, we listen interesting fact and type 1.
Say 1 or type 1 to get information about service. Say 2 or type 2 to use service. Okay, Alex man.
Before system explain what can I do next, I'm going to show how our terms and conditions will work. The system trying to catch my voice, and is the reason why it works not as it expected. Let's try again.
Hey Alex fan, welcome to Heart Voices. listen interesting fact of the day. Spend less time sitting. Even light intensity activity can offset some of the risks of being sedentary. Thank you. Say 1 or type 1 to get information about service. Say 2 or type. Okay, Alex Van. We are going to provide details about our services. Say 1 or type 1 for friends call. Say 2 or type 2.
And right now I hit button 7, and this button 7 related to the terms and conditions. And actually what we expect that our phone system starting to read all these terms and conditions for our patient. I believe this will be more than enough from legal point of view, and this will be probably interesting for our patients that they will be aware how we're going to use this.
Of HeartVoices.org terms and conditions of HeartVoices.org. These terms govern the use of HeartVoices.org and any other related agreement or legal relationship with the owner in a legally binding way.
You see?
Capitalized words are defined in the relevant dedicated section of this document. The user must read this document
It's
carefully.
awesome. In other words, this works. Let me add some comments what we achieved. Actually, we have these terms and conditions on our website, and from internet phone system get these terms and conditions and shared with the user through the phone call, and this will be very good in terms of legal, very nice in terms of engineering things, and this will help us to start our spreading product in the future. And it was the terms and conditions, same functionality we have for the privacy, and if you will put 1 and then 8, you will get this information about privacy. And actually that's it what we have. One more interesting thing that we started collaborate with a legal service, and actually this service provides us these terms and conditions, and accordingly the legislation in United States, these terms and conditions could be changed automatically accordingly new laws and other things. And one more interesting thing is that this service automatically change this, and these changes automatically will be in our system in our website. This is a this means that we will not support this stuff in the future, and automatically we will have all up-to-date documents on our website and in our system. And let's move next. Next thing, our results in terms of user interface and user experience. And here I want to show you this incredible incredible user interface for entering blood pressure. I want to scroll up, zoom up, and you see here we have a blood pressure, and it works as I'm not sure about the right words in terms of components, but these components circle by themselves, and you can put the date, time, and your exact blood pressure. After that, you can put your date exact, and this is how it works for the time. And this is how this will work in mobile application. One more interesting thing from the user from Dalila provide very nice this mockup, but one more she present and wanted that we will implement this nice idea about meditation sounds. And you see here you can check if you want to meditate, you want to choose some of the pictures, some of the music, and you can spend 5 minutes to concentrate and focus on your stuff, or to improve your stress level and to be healthy from mental point of view. And this how it will looks like in the future. Thank you, Dalila. And Maya prepared for us logo. We have our new logo. You see here, Maya prepared very nice logo and different colors. And actually, there are two logo, one for our organization, for our community, and this more about general point that we improve the quality of health. And another, this is of our first product, Heart Voices. This is our phone call system. And you see here, there are different versions. All of these things, it's our first version of logo. Heman, thank you so much for providing this. And here, all other versions of our logo. We are going to use this logo on our website, on our mobile application, and in all other places. And here, Maya put how this will look, for example, on the website. You see, and same thing for the another. And here about our Heart Voices project. And as for me, it looks fantastic. And this is an example how this will look like in our mobile application. Here, our current version of the logo, and this is what we will have in the future for our phone call system project, and for the probably for our general application of our community. Maya, thank you so much. It looks fantastic, and thank you. And let's move next. Actually, next thing, the next achievement, it's about our Android application. And the problem is that I have a Sandeep trying to. Hey Sandeep, what you trying to send us? What the message you wanna send? Audible. Huh, it's interesting. Kenneth, do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. Good evening.
Yeah, Sandeep, feel free that we see your incredible messages. And let me try once again to enter to check my internet connection. And I want to show you how our Android application works. And oh, I see that Sandeep escape. Okay, no. And yeah, just a second. Give me. Sorry. Right now I'm not on the very good connection, and I'm trying to handle this presentation from the hotel. Is the reason why I have some difficulties. Great news that I finished setting up my phone and Wi-Fi, and right now I'm trying to connect. Just a second, meetings, and okay.
Recording in progress.
Whoops. Okay, sorry about that. Do you hear me? yeah, I believe that right now it's a little bit more better. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the picture, and picture will be without background. And I want to stop sharing. You see the screen, Kenneth? You see good?
Yes, I can see. I can see.
Okay. And we have our phone, and actually we hit the button. Ooh, sorry. Actually, I'm going to show you application. You see, this is our development version APK. I installed it before our presentation, and here is our application. And thank you, Aaron, for your contribution. I put number here. This is Android application, and right now we will use our production server. And on my phone number, I got this OTP number and voila. Right now it's possible to sign in to our account and start in our application. Yeah.
Your screen, you can see your screen.
Sorry?
Your screen is not showing, it's only showing a picture.
Picture. Yeah. We are actually what I show that I show how our mobile application works and that our sign-in process works very well. And I put this OTP verification number, and it's the first time when we used our OTP verification. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, Aaron, for all this magic. And right now I'm jumping to our presentation. Okay, I jump into our presentation and let's move next. What we have, this slide we discuss, and thank you everyone who helped us, and thank you for your self-organization. You remember that one of the values of our organization that we don't have managers, and thank you that you found discipline, you found time, and you self-organized you. Dalila, Maya, and other volunteers, Erin, that without any project manager, without any corporate structure, we achieved results. It's fantastic. Thank you guys, everyone. And I'm sure that all other volunteers will follow this approach. Then they will try to do something. They get this initiative and will do without any input from the other. And thank you everyone who helps us, and we're moving forward. And just for the plans, we're gonna start. We started our spreading messages to the real people, and thank you, Abhishek, for your advice in terms of marketing. We discussed with Abhishek how will be better to reach out guys from the marketing world, and probably Abhishek will share his contact, and everyone who has a marketing guys, feel free to share with me, and it will be helpful. As for me, I started to reach out YouTubers and bloggers for collaboration. I know that some of you in our community has experience in YouTube. Please feel free to back to me and probably advise some kind of tools how to prepare a video or some kind of marketing things, because it will be super helpful how to increase our audience. And we will move forward with our mobile development and with the web development as well. And this will be very helpful in terms of supporting our first product. Thank you guys, and see you next week. If you have any questions, don't forget to set up a personal call with me, and I will be happy to answer or maybe to put some context to you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And see you next time. Thank you, guys. And once again,
Bye-bye.
yeah, once again, sorry for all these difficulties with our connection. It's a bit difficult from the hotel organized all this presentation. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.